So hi guys, so in this video we will solve this problem minimum bit flips to convert number. Okay, so so a bit flip of a number x is choosing a bit in the binary representation of x and flipping it from either 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. Okay, so they have given us two numbers, start and goal, and our task is to convert the start to goal with minimum number of bit flips we have to do. Okay. Okay. So firstly, to solve this problem, right? So we should know miss how we can convert the decimal into binary. So maybe this thing you can check. Okay. So one small hint I can give means how you can convert any decimal number to a binary. It's like this 4 to 1, this format you can choose, right? If you want to convert 10 into binary, right? So how you can do is it's like how can you convert, right? 1010. So this is the binary representation of 10. Similarly for 7 we can find. Okay, so for 7 also is like 0111, right? So this is binary representation for the 7. So this maybe you can search and maybe find means how we can convert the decimal into binary. Okay, so in this problem how we can find that bits, right, which we want to flip, right? Flip means either from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0 we want to convert. Okay, so okay, so we want to find right here the bits which are alternate. Alternate means in 10 decimal number we have one, right? If you see the left hand side, and if you see the left hand side for 7, here we have a 0, right? So these are alternate, right? So here we can treat it as a one count, right? So how we can find this, right, in an optimal way? So for to solve this miss we have one operation that we can do is XOR. So what XOR can do here is means okay. So this operation can give us the bits which are alternate. Means for that bits we have one. Means like the result of XOR for these two numbers is 1 1 0 1, right? So here we have 1 at three places, right? For this answer for this problem is 3 because 3 are ones, right? So these flips we need to alternate. Okay, I think you got it right. So okay, so how firstly we will see how we can do the XOR operation. Okay, so I'm declaring one variable where I'm keeping the XOR result. So maybe I can give name result. Okay, and here start we have, and this is XOR operator. It's kind of tilde, right? Caret operator, we said. Okay, so goal. So right now in the result variable we have a XOR operations. So this binary representation we have. Okay, so now we want to find, right, how many ones we have in that result. So how we can find that? So we need a loop, right, so that we can traverse the full binary representation. Okay, so greater than 0, I will start a loop. It will run till result greater than 0. And here we need to count also, right, how many ones we have. So for that also maybe I can declare one variable counter. Okay, initialize 0. And okay, so how I can find, right, if that particular place we have a 1 or not. Okay, so maybe what I can do is maybe I can use bitwise AND operator, right? How I'm saying is, suppose means if the result is like this, right? If I do the AND operator, so at the if you see this number from the right hand side, right? The at this position, right? 1 and 1, this will give us 1. So I can treat this as a one counter. Okay. So after that, I will use one more operator. So we are calling it a write. right shift bit operator, we are calling it. It will shift these numbers to the one right hand side. It's like this. The above number becomes like this 110. It's like we are dividing by 2. Okay. So these two operations we are doing inside this while loop. Okay, let's see. Okay, so firstly I need to check if the leftmost bit is 1 or not, right? How I can check it? So I can check it's like and with 1, right? If this is 1, right? I know miss I need to count this bit, right? So I'm just incrementing the counter, and after that in result I am storing the updated the right shift operator, right? This I'm using. And after that, whenever this result becomes 0, right? So that is our result. So after that, we can return the counter. Okay. So let's test it. Okay. So for this example, it's working fine. Okay. So let's test the two given examples. Okay. So for these tools also, it's working. So let's submit it. Yeah, it's working. Please let me know if you have any queries or concerns, right? I will answer that in the comment section. Thank you.